Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sport in Alpha Black. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, run flat tires, gloss black calipers with white script, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6308.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.